Welcome to the tutorial video of how to set up two-factor authentication.
You can download Google Authenticator from here according to your device. To enable two-factor authentication to your Amazon account, click here. Under Account Setting, click on Logging and Security. Turn on two-step verification. Click on Get Started. Click on Authenticator app, copy or keep this two-factor authentication from here. It will need in next step of membership sign-up. Open Google Authenticator app.
Complete setup on the Authenticator app. Add Amazon as your account name. Copy and paste your 2FA key. Press Finish.
Copy this code. Paste the OTP here and click on Verify OTP and continue. Turn on two-step verification from here.
Complete linking your Amazon account on the Fiesta Freebies app. Copy the 2FA secret key from your notes. Paste the 2FA secret key here. Open your Authenticator app. Copy the OTP, one-time password code. Paste the OTP code here. Click Sign In. Your Amazon account has been linked successfully. You will now have access to your Fiesta Freebies user dashboard.